Hey everyone, and in this quick video, I will show you how to organize your content in Notion and directly publish them to other blogging platforms like Dev, Hashnode, Ghost CMS, and of course upcoming future platforms using one Publish Chrome extension. So let's get started. Once you install the extension, you need to connect to Notion. On connection page, you will see a helper link that will navigate you directly to My Integrations page. Next, click to the Create New Integration. Give it a name for your integration. I will name it One Publish, but feel free to name it whatever you want. Then click to Submit, and your integration secret or without the name API key will be ready. The last step is to navigate to Capabilities section, and under User Capabilities, make sure the option named Read User Information without email address is enabled. Then click to Save Changes, go back to integration, and copy the secret. Again, open the OnePublish extension, paste it there, and click to connect. Cool, now you have successfully connected to Notion. So the second part is about organizing your content. In this part, I will show you how to organize your content easily, and in fact, it's an essential part to make sure that you have best experience with OnePublish extension. Let's start by creating a gallery view, and then create a new data source for our content. It will initialize it with a few draft posts, so since we don't need them, let's delete to create a fresh database. Now you can create and organize your posts in one single place. Let me quickly make a transition here so you can see a complete example page. There we go. I just created this example blog post with which contains code snippets, GitHub guests, embed links and images to show you the publishing experience in upcoming few minutes. As a final step for this section, let's make a slight design tweaks to make it even better. So, I want to see a cover image of my posts rather than the content inside it, because it helps me to remind what was the post about. Second, let's make a page a bit wider to fit more cards in the screen. And that's all. That's all for design. Cool. The next step is very important, and it's about to add our created integration to this page. So go to the top right of the screen and click the three dots to open settings of the page. Scroll down a bit and find the Add Connections option. Then type the name of your integration that you created. That will prompt me to confirm the connection, and click to confirm to proceed. So now your integration can read the chart page, which means we don't have to add the connection to each new page that we create. Cool, we're almost done with setting up Publisher. The last step is to connect the platforms that we are going to publish. So open the extension and navigate to the platforms page. Let's start by connecting Dev. We need an API key, so let's click to helper link, and that will navigate us to the page where we need to create an API key from. Once API key is generated, copy and paste it to the extension, and that's it. We are going to apply same steps for other platforms as well. Open the helper link, create an API key, and connect it from extension. Almost all platforms have similar flow, so I believe that's going to be an easy step to set up. That's it. Now we have everything ready and I can enable publishing for all of the platforms. Now, let's actually publish this page to enabled platforms. First, select the platform you want to publish. Then you can also add tags or provide original link to the post as an additional data. We have two options, publish as draft or publish directly. I will choose publish directly and wait for a few seconds to finish publishing. Great, our content is now published across platforms, so let's check out how they look. Final words at the end of the demo. All API keys are encrypted securely and you always have option within the extension to request permanent removal of your encrypted keys from database. Or you can revoke your API keys directly from related platforms itself. That's all for now. Focus on creating great content and publish with few clicks with one publish extension. Thank you for watching and stay connected.